corn seems to be growing okay. But this is quite the feat for me. These are my watermelons inside the greenhouse. We thought we'd try them in here this year because, you know, these suckers love heat, and well, right now it's actually only 30. Early morning it gets up to like 44, 45. They were just originally in the garden beds, and I thought, oh, they need something to climb up on. So these are some old wire trellises I used to use for my tomatoes. Of course, I put them the wrong way because now it's a real bitch to get in there and like find anything. Like the open end of these things should have been here instead. But that's my foolishness, so I have to deal with that. But got watermelons growing though, at least. There's one guy there. I really don't know what variety he is. This particular bed in here is watermelon seeds from a watermelon we bought in a grocery store, and it was from Georgia, so we just call it the Georgia watermelon. It's a very original name for it. And of course, I got this big dude right over here, and there are quite a few other small ones. I'm gonna let everything grow because we never seem to get watermelons, and this year we're gonna just let them do their thing and we'll get whatever out of them. This is this particular bed is a sugar baby. Juan is not fond of them. He thinks they're too small. He likes the big ass ones that he grew up with in Argentina. This is two types. This is leftover ones. I can't remember what this guy is actually. What is he? Oh, that's a Georgia watermelon. I think the other one, where's my tag? Dixie Queen. So two types in here. I planted them at different stages so we could sort of, you know, not have a bunch of watermelons at the same time. All of these ones are, they're called Garden Leader Monster, I think it is, but Garden Leader for sure. And like I said, these guys in here are seeds from the Georgia watermelon. But yeah, they're looking really, really good. Quite happy with it, what's going on. I think the big problem will be when it comes to not so much this guy, because he's pretty small. He's only going to be a couple pounds when he's actually fully ripe. But if this guy, can you see him? If he reaches his full, what's that word they use? Potential. If he reaches his full potential, he can be anywhere from 20 to 25 pounds. So I think I'll have to figure out a way to support him because I don't think the vine will keep him up. But I can hear thunder. It's gonna rain. Oh, can you hear the rumbles? It's very faint now. Yeah, no, you can't. So, rained yesterday. Rain today, hopefully. But the garden's loving it. This is the first year actually I am able to water my gardens mainly with rainwater since we bought this baby. That's a 1,000, excuse me, yeah, I think it's a 1,000-liter tank, and it's full right now because obviously if it's going to rain I don't have to water, but that's what's keeping my gardens healthy so far this year. This was a citrus plant that it bloomed on us because we don't know what they are. We grew these from seeds bought from fruits in the store, and it was doing great. And then we happened to notice one day that all the fruits were gone. It looked like earwigs had eaten everything. So it still is continuing to flower, so maybe we'll still get some fruit out of it. Maybe you heard that thunder. But we do have this guy bloomed quite a bit. Now this is an actual, we bought this from a nursery. It's a Valencia orange tree. So it's got some nice fruit and growing on it right now. And let's take a quick walk before the rain hits, because I do have another citrus that we were never sure was going to actually survive. He just kept dying on us. Well, not dying, but he kept, like, you know, stressing out. But this guy, and look at that. He is a navel orange tree. This is a navel orange. He's from a nursery also. Not something we grew. So that's all I'm going to show you, because I'm going to continue working inside the house today. After dude, get off my strawberry. Yeah, it's been got little bugs. Wash it off, it'll be fine. All right, I'm going to work now. Hope y'all are having a great day. Catch you later.